For me, Christmas was always winter vacation time. Always a holiday season, and I always used to be doing things on like having fun is equivalent to Christmas. Now, in the past 2-3 years, it's changed a little when I've come to Bombay, and I sometimes go to the Mount Mary Church, and sometimes attend some parties and all. Yeah, so Christmas meaning has changed over the years. It has evolved.
I think it has never been what it is to the kids and children in West. Like they
Yeah.
hang socks and all of that. Because
I did that once in class.
It depends, yeah, completely on the kind of culture
But I
you
knew
are in.
there's no Santa Claus also.
Yeah, your parents are your Santa Claus.
Yeah, they were
So,
metaphorically, but
yeah.
literally I knew that there was no Santa Claus. So like I didn't look Christmas. I had a huge Christmas tree at my house for the longest time. It was bigger than my house, but
But Christmas, I think, offers one thing which all other festivals don't. So Christmas really, really means that party. You know, be it Holi, be it Diwali, all of that is
all the
still
yeah.
a very family affair. You know what I'm trying to say? कि हाँ यार खाना होगा, पीना होगा, पटाखे, घर की dresses और सजाना ये सब वो सब. Christmas is more about friends. Like Diwali and Holi are still like with family, but
Yeah.
Christmas is like friends. Like of course family के साथ ये है पापा मम्मी और जो भी बड़े हैं घर के. हाँ Merry Christmas है दिन like हाँ Merry Christmas बेटा ये वो. Once though I remember there's this nice story to it. I was in 5th standard, 6th standard, and I went to my mama's house. बहुत छोटा सा था मैं in Rajasthan, and I said Mama Merry Christmas, and he goes हो गया तू भी खराब. So I got so offended कि ये क्या था. And he said in humor, like how I would today, I know the kind of person I am. तो अगर कोई बच्चा मेरे साथ मस्ती करेगा तो मैं उसको छेड़ दूंगा या थोड़ा उसके साथ मजाक कर लूंगा. तो उन्होंने वही किया था and it stayed with me कि मामा को तो मैंने मेरी क्रिसमस बोला वो ऐसे हो गया तो वो आज भी समझाते हैं बेटा मैं मजाक कर रहा था तेरे साथ और तूने सीरियसली ले लिया. So I'm saying that in that sense it's more like friend space. और हम लोग दिल्ली में भी ऐसे friends सेलिब्रेट करते थे. And for this year
Also my sister and my brother-in-law back in Delhi or when they were in Bombay, they always host these Christmas parties. I
Yeah.
don't know, it's become a tradition with them. My sister is actually going to attend that party this year.
So it's like that. Christmas
It's like a party
offers
thing.
you, it gives you all the freedom to
And
celebrate.
everybody's free and
So,
everybody has
exactly.
holiday season.
It's
and
winter.
Year is ending.
Yeah.
So it's very
So it's
festive.
a nice mood to celebrate.
One of
and
the best
party.
time in the years is
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Christmas and New Year's.
Yeah.
I've always been the youngest in my family, so you know everybody else has been my Santa Claus. I actually there's some people who are younger to me. I actually want them to like be take advantage of my experience. I want them to like give them gifts and I know someone younger than me. I've not had only there's this one friend of mine, Aditi, who's like almost my younger sister, so I treat her like that. And I actually want to be her Santa Claus in the sense that I want to guide her. There's always I've been the one who's been guided, so I want to guide someone into taking decisions or doing important stuff or gifting them, or pampering them. Yeah, maybe. So
I don't know, yeah. Like I wish may Santa bless me with that I get to
Be someone
be
else's-
people's Santa. And I think for me the theory of charity and help comes from the fact and
See,
starts
that's
from
what-
the fact where I say that you should really do it to people who are actually not getting anything. So बहुत बारी ऐसा होता है कि बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जिनकी आप हेल्प करते हो, be it by giving clothes, be it by giving money or
Books.
something which are already capable of having that from someone or the other. So I think if we can really go out to reach out to people who just don't have that or can't have that or are really the possibility or probability of them having something, be it money, food, shelter. So I think if we can reach out to them and help them, I think it doesn't have to be that they have to say that, oh, you're my Santa, and we feel, we are your Santa. It's not like that. It's just happening. Have never been that kind where I've never asked. So the things are there every day in our prayers, and every day is like a blessing. And I'm not just saying it to sound someone on another level. I'm not saying it like that. I'm genuinely saying that every day is a celebration, definitely, and very few people try to do that. But I genuinely feel that if I might be in a bad mood, and I'm not celebrating it literally, but ऐसा होता है कि हाँ हर दिन आप you ask for something, you thank the God for something. So specifically मेरी कभी Santa से ऐसे बात नहीं हुई है. So likewise goes for this year as well, and I'm just grateful that all these years for everyone, for my surroundings, for myself, have been good and I've been blessed. So likewise, that keep this blessing coming, and I stay blessed. That's all. And my people who I love, who are around me, and people I can approach and create some difference, they all should be blessed.
Oh, I've got so engrossed in the answer that I forgot. No, but this year I think specifically I just want I just want to be genuinely very much at peace. I don't want all that clutter in my life.
She doesn't want to be around actors. What? Huh?
I want to be around good people who appreciate small things and who are positive. I don't want to be around negativity one bit.
2017, Namita Dubey will be around Priyanshu.
He's a very positive influence, but I'm just saying that I don't want to be around people who dissuade you, discourage you, or are always constantly eyeing you if you do well. I want good people in my life. I've always had somehow very good people in my life, but now I just want to declutter more. Like I just want a very
But that will always be there, no?
that'll always be there, but I hope I have the sense to
Choose.
be
wise.
and who I spend time with or what I decide to do with
But
my time.
you can control it to a very little extent, I think. You can't do much about it. Because
I
you'll
hope-
declutter a little, and then they will you'll meet new people, and then again you'll declutter.
I
So
hope
the
I don't do
filter-
that, and I hope I give my priority to people who actually deserve it.
Wish you all a very, very happy New Year and a merry, merry, merrier Christmas than always.
Yeah, guys, same here, and have fun, and have a blast.
So like I said it just now.
Don't overthink about your plans. Just go with the flow. Do something nice and make someone else happy. Also, I think, and just enjoy.
People in Delhi, people in metro cities, people in Goa, be advised and keep this in mind. You don't definitely want to spend your New Year on the road in the traffic jam. So plan well in advance. This always
And don't,
happens. You guys end up in traffic jams, and at 12 midnight you're like, "Hey, Happy New Year! We are in traffic." So don't do that. And you were saying something.
Yeah, and I've been to like all the sunburn festivals in Goa, and whenever those people leave, they leave behind a lot of.
Everywhere, I think.
Like you don't have to like degrade your environment, right? So that is one message that I want to give. Really be a little sensitive to your environment and make everybody else's New Year also as special.
Yep.
So that's
And
about
the kids
it.
out there, again I'm saying, Papa busy hai, Mummy busy hai, बना नहीं रहे कोई plan, क्या करें? कोई बात नहीं. On
Go for
31st
dinner.
night, do a party at your own place, put up music, bring food, order food, make something at your own home, surprise your parents, do something nice, do something lovely. A sweet gesture would be enough, and do celebrate Christmas as well. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, it's alright. Spread nice vibe, be positive, give out good energy, and on 31st, celebrate! Happy New Year to you all!
I don't need to say more after this. Same, ditto. What he said.